all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about etiquettes for waiters or stewards. Basically, the waiters or stewards is responsible for serving a food in the restaurant, and they have follow some etiquettes in their job. Basically, if we talk about the first etiquettes, never run in a restaurant because it's disturbing the guest. So you will avoid to running in a restaurant. Always maintain a smiling face. You are suffering from any types of situations. It's the rule in hospitality industry on your face always having a smile. Never point a finger to show a direction. Don't touch guest personal belonging without their consent. While serving or talking with the guest, close contacts should be avoided. Give preference to the young and ladies. Don't fuss with hair and neck or pick at skin blemishes in the restaurant. Never chew something or much in the restaurant. No smoking in the restaurant. Please. The smoking is not allowed in the restaurant according to the smoking policy. If anyone want to smoke, then we served the ashtray in front of the guest. Never count tips in the restaurant. Don't touch the food with hands. Don't whistle more in the restaurant. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.